Audio desync in Overwatch 2 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate audio desync in the game. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in Overwatch 2 are configured correctly. Head to the game's options menu, navigate to the audio settings, and make sure the output device is set to the correct one. Adjust the audio quality settings if necessary. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your sound card manufacturer or use Windows Update to check for and install the latest audio drivers for your system. Step 3. Disable audio enhancements. Sometimes audio enhancements can interfere with game audio. Right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab, choose your audio device, click Properties, and then disable any enhancements in the Enhancements tab. Step 4. Low in-game graphics settings. High graphics settings can put a strain on your system, which may lead to audio desync. Lower your graphics settings in the game options to see if this improves audio sync. Step 5. Restart your game and system. If the issue persists, try restarting Overwatch 2 in your gaming system. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and restore proper audio sync. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync in Overwatch 2. If problems continue, consider checking online forums or the official support page for further assistance.